Hello all. Today we are going to bring in dynamic routing protocol in our homelab topology. So as you can see from our routers R1, R2 and R3, I'm going to apply I'm going to configure RIPv2. So here is some steps that we are going to do. So let's start. First, I'm going to start with router R1, Cisco enable class. Okay, so configure T. We are going to advertise all these networks which are showing in our topology. So we can advertise them separately, like all of them, they are side 24, they are a class C address. But if I want, I can in RIP I can use no auto summary, and then I can just define 172.16.0.0 network, and it will include all these 4-5 networks, if I'm not wrong. 1 2 3 4 5, yes, sorry, 5 networks. So let's see what happened. Router RIP version 2. So now network. Before applying networks, you just go to the no auto summary, apply no auto summary. Now network 172.16.0.0, this is it, it's configured. Now next thing, passive interface default. This is a Cisco preferred method. First apply passive interface on all the interfaces, then disable the passive interface from those interfaces that you want that RIP send out the advertisements from those interfaces. So now I'm going to enable my advertisement on this G00 interface. So it will be no passive interface G00. This is done. Now I will go to my router R2. Oh, router R2 is not configured, and R3 is not configured as well. I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to just copy paste the basic configuration in. So, or just see where is my handy dandy notepad. Notepad, here it is. Right, so there you go. So my notepad is here, as you can see. I'm going to change the name to R1, R2, and then I'm going to change name R2 here, R2. There you go. Now copy and paste. R1 is done. Now I'm going to apply for R3. Copy and paste. Right, so we have got the basic configuration set up now. So now R2. Now I need to assign IP addressing. So configure T interface G03 IP description connects to S3 port G03. Okay, IP address 172.16.16.0.2 255.255.255.0. No shut. then interface G00, description connects to R3, and IP address 172.168.23.1.255.255.255.0. No shut. Okay, so we configured our IP addresses on both interfaces. Now I'm going to router RIP version 2, no auto summary, network 172.16.0.0. right, and then I don't need to apply any passive default because I have got just two links that they are connected, and I want that my RIP send out the advertisement this way and this way. Okay, so now I will jump over to R3, configure T, and now we need to configure R3. Okay, so R3 I have interface G00, description connects to R2, IP address 172.16.23.2, 255.255.255.0, no shut, then interface G01, description connects to leads SW1. Well, description is good so that you remember where is your device interface is connecting to, and then IP address 172.16.24.1.255.255.255.0, no shut. Right, so this is done. Now router RIP version 2 and no auto summary, and then I will apply network 172.16.0.0, and then I will apply passive interface because I need passive interface here because I don't want that my router R3 send out the advertisements from this link G01 because it's connecting with the switch and then with our PC. So now I would say no passive interface G00. So this is done. Do WR. So now if I want to check show IP route, that did we learn anything? And yes, we did learn. Okay, all right, R2 and show IP route, yes. And if I check my router R3, sorry, R1 and show IP route, yes. So if I want to ping 172.16.24.1, I can ping, and if I want to ping from my router R3, ping 172.16.0.0.1, yes, I can ping successfully. Okay, so show IP access lists. Okay, that's fine. Now what I want, that this PC, my Leeds branch will get the internet connectivity from my Bradford branch router R1. So to do that, what I need to do, I need to permit this network and this network on my router R1 in my access list, and then it will be able to translate these two networks too, and then hopefully we will have the internet on our Leeds branch PC. So let's start. Okay, router R1, where are you? Here you are. configure t IP access list standard homelab, and then I will say permit. I need to permit these two networks 172.168.23.0.000.255, and then I want to permit 172.168.24.0.000.0.255. I need to, there you go. So end show IP access lists. Yes, we added our two networks. So if I just go to my R3 and try to ping 8.8.8.8, yes, I have got the connectivity. And if I want to ping google.com, okay, so I can't ping google.com, right? Okay, to do that I need to configure t IP DNS name, sorry, IP name server. It will be, I will give the DNS server IP addresses which we have configured on R1. So if I say show IP DHCP server, show DHCP server, so here you can see DNS 0 this IP address and DNS 1 this one. So 194.168.4.100 and 194.168.8.100. so name server is done, and no IP domain IP domain lookup. Now let's try ping google.com, and here you go, our pings are successful now. So now if I open my PC, open Cisco, and I'm going to configure my adapter settings. So this network is 172.16.24. I would say 21, 255, 172.16.24.1, and my DNS 194.168.4.100 and 194.168.8.100. So if I do okay and close, and I hopefully we will get the internet connectivity here. There you go, yes. So if I on my Google Chrome, and if I bring my router R1 here, and I would say debug IP NAT, so its NAT is on, and here I would say bbc.co.uk. so let's see if it's going to, as you can see, netting is started, and from here you can see we have got the BBC up and running, so it's awesome. Okay, so I will do here undebug all, and so this was about our today's lab. So we configure RIP version 2 on our 3 routers. One step I skipped, that was configuring a default route, injecting default route from R1 to R2 and R3. I just want to show you that tiny command, but it's very effective. So if I go to my R1, that tiny command is router rip excuse me, router rip version 2, and when you want to advertise your default route, which is G01, to all other routers in the network, all you need to do, just apply the command default information originate. This is it. Once it's done, it will going to advertise its default route to all the routers that are connected with this router R1. So this is for the today's lab. I would like to thank you all for watching, and if there is any feedback or any comments, please feel free to do that, and have a good day. Take care.